I'm also a spirit. You're also. We just have the body. Spirits don't have it. So, fine.
I'm scared of him now.
Why are you scared
so
of me, bro?
confident.
Good morning, guys. Yeah, the sky looks good. Today I'm not in a mood to do anything productive, as in productive meaning my daily morning routine. So I'm just watching some series on Netflix and eating my morning breakfast. It's already too late for me to have lunch and leave. So I think I'm gonna grab a subway once I reach at work. Look at the sky. Look how they shine for you. Let's get going. I miss meditating here today. I believe some days you just got to take it easy on yourself. Being unproductive can be productive on some days, It can lead to burnout if you're doing too much every single day. So give yourself a rest after 5 days and then get back on to your schedule. The cab is already here, I guess, so I'm gonna quickly rush and get going for the day. By the way, this is my outfit for the day. Black on black. I just wore the first thing that I could get my hands on. Beautiful day. Where is our cab? Sometimes it amazes me. I mean, just look at that structure. It is so beautiful. And the way it is hanging up is crazy. Where is our cab? Yeah, there is our cab. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Look at that elephant on the truck. No idea what that is, but it looks so big. Train wheel. ते अशा इथून घेऊन जातात. अच्छा. Look at that MACD. The windows are broken. They say there was a fire because of which they had to break the windows, but it will be back soon. MACD can never go out of fashion. There is unusual traffic today. We are stuck in the traffic since past 15 minutes. We are just outside, just 5 minutes away, but it is taking us 15 minutes to reach. Unusual crowd today, and we are here. Hindi subway, English subway. What should we eat today? Let's see. I usually go with the Italian BMT, but I'm thinking of trying the cravers today, or a salad perhaps. Bro, what are you trying?
पनीर टिक्का सैलेड
Paneer tikka salad. Healthy.
क्या रहेगा सर?
Italian BMT, Parmesan oregano toasted with cheese. 6-inch. Yeah. Lettuce, yes. Capsicum. नहीं. Capsicum. Olives. Pickle. And jalapeno here.
Salt and pepper.
हाँ, salt and pepper. Thank you, ma'am. Let's head out to the spooky hallway. That looks more spooky than the hallway itself. So hey guys, I just wanted to show you how empty the office is. It feels so good to work when no one else is working actually. What are you saying about shape shifting, bro? No, I'm serious.
First of all, let me say I'm really scared of them. I respect them. I'm not spreading any hate. I don't want to be.
Of course, yeah.
मुझे कल कोई आके मेरे को कुछ.
Yeah, no, of course, yeah.
So if you are in a mountainous region or like in a deserted road,
Yeah.
sometimes an animal will cross your car or something like that.
Yeah.
And many times you then afterwards like you'll keep going in the right direction, but you'll keep coming back to the same point.
Yeah.
So that's called like chalawa, and this happens like this animal that would be there. It could be a shapeshifter. So after that you could see a person or a very alive looking person asking for help or something like
Whoa.
that. You don't entertain them. You just keep going. And in some time you come out of that loop. But when you are in that loop, it is very scary. And a friend of mine has experienced it firsthand. I've gone deep
Firsthand?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've gone deep dive into this topic on YouTube. I've heard podcasts where people are talking about this. So it happens.
Yes. Chakwa expert sanga man.
I don't have any story actually. But
What is a chakwa?
Chakwa is like you know you are stuck somewhere आणि तुम्ही तिथल्या तिथेच फिरत राहता.
हाँ.
Basically you lose the direction where you are actually going.
Illusion.
Illusion kind of a thing.
अरे ये चेयर किधर से? Okay, it is my chair only. My God.
You are believing in guiding angels, you should also believe in misleading.
Do you believe, Pranav?
He doesn't believe.
What are your thoughts on shapeshifters, bro?
But I have a lot of stories about shapeshifters and
What?
ghosts. Yeah.
He's an Indian scientist.
Devulbanda.
He is an Indian scientist who comes in India for a
I'm scared of ghosts. I respect them. I'm scared. I will say this. On
Of
camera.
course.
Yeah.
I am scared as well. Feril, why are you so quiet, bro?
He's also scared.
She's protecting her sleep.
She can't take it.
It is not about chakwa, but it is about a belief. Yeah, it would be there. Nastik असतो तो because of something happened in his life, and he becomes astic because of whatever happens in his life. So at one incident, उसको ऐसे वो चकवा लगता है बेसिकली त्याला तो चकवा लागतो तिथे
ओहो.
मग देव कसं त्याला त्या चकव्यातून बाहेर काढतो सो बेसिकली एव्हरी हर्डल्स हाव गॉड
My God. Jai Shri Ram, bro. No, I am not scared of the spirits. I am also a spirit. You are also. We just have the body. Spirits don't have it. So, fine.
I'm scared of him now.
Why are you scared of me, bro?
So me and my cousins, we went over there, and so we were playing with a ball, and we had 2 or 3 balls, cricket वाला, and then उसमें से एक बॉल अरे ठीक है तो इट्स लाइक अ गार्डन सॉर्ट ऑफ अ थिंग जो अब थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो गया है वैसे फॉरेस्ट जैसा लग रहा है तो पार्ट ऑफ द एरिया वेयर वी डोंट गो जैसे सांप वाप भी हो सकता है तो बॉल उधर चला गया तो वी वर लाइक फक इट वी हैव 2 more balls क्या हो गया
bro?
तो व्हाट हैपेंड नहीं तो वो ऐसे फिर 2 बॉल तो थे हमारे पास एंड आई मेड श्योर कि उधर कोई शॉट नहीं मार रहा है देन व्हाट हैपेंड वी वेंट होम नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग वी कम बैक जो बॉल खोया था लिटरली द सेम बॉल आई नो बिकॉज एकदम गंदे कलर का था वो दैट वाज लाइंग ऑन द स्पॉट वेयर वी वर प्लेइंग रात
कुत्ते ने डाल दिया.
दो
कुत्ते ने डाल दिया होगा भाई. चलो.
3:30.
That looks haunted.
No, like just.
Yeah, the B-roll kind of.
I am sitting नहीं सब ओल्डीज के पास एकदम रियल जेम्स होते हैं ना.
Yeah, bro.
तो बीच में कुछ बताया.
किसका?
स्टोर का कुछ तो.
मैं बोल रहा था.
थ्रिफ्ट स्टोर में भी भूत बैठा है
Okay, Pranav, bless us with your stories.
Yes.
So you know there are these villages in mountains where roads are not intact. Most people have to walk up. But sometimes you get, there are pathways that you can take. So my grandfather and his younger brothers, when they were young, this was when they were perhaps 7-8 years old. They had this habit.
फूल लगाएंगे हम.
They had this habit. वो लोग ट्रैक पे जाते थे ऐसे ही रात में चलने जाते थे एंड विंटर्स में इट वुड गेट फेयरली कोल्ड तो दे वुड गेट अ फर्नेस दे वुड पुट वुड logs together and light a fire and sit around it.
Okay.
One night randomly 2 men showed up
Near the fire.
and came and they said अरे बहुत ठंड है it's very cold.
Okay. एक मिनट प्रणव. अरे guys, भाई तुम लोग
फूल कैसे टिके?
Basically, it's a cold night, right?
cold night.
Cold night. अरे कान साफ करके बैठ रे बधिर.
Cold. Okay, cold night.
Okay, and basically they lit up a fire because it's very cold, and two men randomly from the forest come out and say, "Is it okay if we sit down? It's very cold. बहुत ठंड लग रही है." And they start talking about the village and life in general. They ask, "तुम लोग कहाँ से हो?"
Whom do they ask?
My grandfather and his brothers ask, "Where are you guys from?" So they say, "We are from the nearby village. We lost our way. So
Okay.
we are here." And then they said, "They didn't expect the night to be so cold." So कि बहुत ठंड लग रही है. They shift a little bit closer to the fire.
Mm-hmm.
Conversations keep going on, and then they shift a little bit more closer to the fire. They just start saying कि it's really really cold, man. बहुत ही ठंड लग रही है.
Who is saying all this?
The two men.
Okay.
Then my grandfather realized that one of the men's foot was inside the fire.
Inside the?
Fire.
Okay.
That's
And he was-
crazy.
Yeah, and then he was saying, "It's really cold. It's a really cold night. Thank you so much that you lit the fire. We feel better. We would have probably been lost, or we probably would have died. We came very close to dying the last time we were traveling in the woods." Then my grandfather tried his best to keep a conversation, and after some time they both stood up and left. Never came back
My God, that was close.
Grandfather never came back or?
to that spot to trek.
नहीं. हाँ, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Damn. That's crazy, bro.
Grandfather wouldn't have come back. मैं कैसा आता यहाँ पे? I wouldn't have existed to tell the story. Forget
Oh my
forget
God.
the existence of the story.
Oh my
The
God.
existence of the storyteller would have been
My
difficult.
God.
मैं एक स्कूल कैंप पे जा रहा था.
School camp. Mm-hmm.
स्कूल कैंप नहीं एक्चुअली, इट वाज अ सेपरेट कैंपिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जिसके साथ मैंने साइन अप किया था.
Okay.
सब कुछ अच्छा जा रहा था. इट वाज अ प्लेस इन दांडेली.
Can't. I'm genuinely asking.
Yeah, let me spell it for you because the name will keep coming up again and again. Yeah, it starts with a D. We were all set up in different rooms. We had gotten a tree house for the four of us that day. And I was making friends with all the other kids.
You guys,
Yeah, people don't know each other.
Yeah.
And there were these 3-4 particular set of kids who were
for this camp.
who 4 to 5 kids who were always in a tight group with each other,
Yeah.
and they always wore full sleeved shirts.
Full sleeve.
Yeah, completely full sleeved.
That's weird.
Yeah, neck down was all full sleeves,
Neck down without.
Yeah.
Okay.
and yeah, they would not touch anyone. They would
Huh?
keep away. They would always seem very upset.
Were they all very, very, very fair?
Pale white. Yeah.
But then I start noticing that there are more kids in the camp. There are another set of kids who came from a different bus, who are all again wearing full sleeves. Their instructors were also wearing full sleeves. And other than neck down, you cannot see any part of their skin. They had gloves also on. So it was very strange. I didn't understand. Then I thought, okay, maybe they are a single group altogether, that they have a uniform. But that doesn't make sense because, you know, these private camping organizations just take people from whoever signs up is a part of it. So we do our usual camping activities. I speak to one of those kids in their full sleeve clothes or whatever, and we become friends also.
Who would only befriend a person with?
Why? They're just in a uniform. What's wrong with befriending them?
अरे यार तेरी फट नहीं जाती क्या?
You will find out.
Why will I? But there's nothing odd about them other than the fact that they're all wearing the same kinds of clothes. And
Okay. आगे.
also, I'm a 6th grader. Why do I care? Right? So then we all, you know, it's lights out. Dinner is done. We all go to sleep. Next day, I wake up in the treehouse. And I'm alone.
Yeah.
And I go outside. It's not many people. But for some reason, I see my classmates sitting in a group and my teacher, right? Which doesn't make sense because I came there with random strangers, other kids. And I hear my teacher generally yelling at me and saying, okay, why are you late for the assembly? Come join. And then, you know, usual camping activities, but suddenly it's my school group, not anyone else. So I join, I trying to make sense of it. It doesn't make sense. Finally, after breakfast I'm at the hotel reception, and it's in the morning, right? So the newspaper delivery comes. Then I see headlines of a bus accident that took place 1 day ago, where a school bus full of kids going on a camping trip, fell off a cliff, died, got fire.
Shweta is smiling for some reason. Bro, that is creepy.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow, guys.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Yep. Alright, done for the day. Now going back home to chill and relax. The best part of living where I live is whatever this floor is called. So pretty. Like, one can just walk. But I am not here after my dinner to take a walk. Nor am I here in the mornings because I'm doing my morning routine. Well, let's go back home now.